In this lesson, we'll learn the names of the days of the week in Arabic. أيام الأسبوع. أيام الأسبوع means the days of the week. Before we begin, make sure that you have your notebook and a pencil so that you're able to write down each day of the week as we go through them. Learning objectives. By the conclusion of this video, the student will be able to 1. Say the names of the days of the week in Arabic. 2. Write the names of the days of the week in Arabic script. And 3. Know the word for day in Arabic. The first day of the week is Yom al-Ahad. Yom al-Ahad. Yom al-Ahad means Sunday. Yom al-Ahad. Write Yom al-Ahad. The word Yom means day. Al-Ahad means the first. So Yom al-Ahad is the first day of the week. The second day of the week is Yom al-Ithnain. Yom al-Ithnain, Monday. Yom al-Ithnain. Write Yom al-Ithnain. Yom al-Ithnain means Monday. The third day of the week is Yom al-Thulatha. Yom al-Thulatha is Tuesday. Write Yom al-Thulatha. Yom al-Thulatha. Tuesday. Wednesday is the fourth day of the week. Yom al-Arbi'a. Yom al-Arbi'a. Write Yom al-Arbi'a. Yom al-Arbi'a is Wednesday. The fifth day of the week is Yom al-Khamis. Yom al-Khamis, Thursday. Write Yom al-Khamis. Yom al-Khamis means Thursday. Write Yom al-Khamis. Friday is Yom al-Jum'ah. Yom al-Jum'ah means the day of congregation. It's the day when all Muslims get together and go to the masjid. Yom al-Jum'ah. Write Yom al-Jum'ah. And finally, our last day of the week is Yom al-Sabt. Yom al-Sabt. Yom al-Sabt means Saturday. Write Yom al-Sabt. Now let's review the days of the week. Do you remember how to say days of the week in Arabic? Yes, it's Ayam al-Asbu'a. Ayam al-Asbu'a. Listen and repeat after me. Sunday. Yom al-Ahad. Monday. Yom al-Ithnain. Tuesday. Yom al-Thulatha. Wednesday. Yom al-Arbi'a. Thursday. Yom al-Khamis. Friday. Yom al-Jum'ah. Saturday. Yom al-Sabt. Let's try it once more. Sunday. Yom al-Ahad. Monday. Yom al-Ithnain. Tuesday. Yom al-Thulatha. Wednesday. Yom al-Arbi'a. Thursday. Yom al-Khamis. Friday. Yom al-Jum'ah. And Saturday. Yom al-Sabt. And this brings us to the end of our lesson. What's your favorite day of the week? Ma salama.